say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty so far we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the land. You know tell me, what's it go? What you want go? All the Bentley, the cafe, ride the boat, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? What you want go? All the Bentley, the cafe, ride the boat, I know feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. For my people, then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know.
So I'll take a quick shower before I do the skincare and everything. So I'll take a quick shower. You don't want to join me, right? Because that's creepy. Anyway, let's go. Guys, I'm done with the shower. Okay. So I'll do a quick skincare. This is my face cream. Time again. So basically that's it. I don't do too much and I think it works for me because I know my skin back then and now, so I know this simple thing works for me. Okay, if I'm consistent it does work. So I'll just put on some clothes. I was thinking of going to the beach or the mall. I don't know. You know, we are at this point and you are allowed to do everything you want to do. But then I'm so introverted that it takes two business days to decide if I want to go out. Like, I don't like going out. I want to be out, but I don't like going out. The decision for me to decide, it takes me business days. But then I would love to. And maybe I'm in a new place, I don't have friends, that's all. But I would love to. I've been to the mall several times. It's actually closer, less than 10 minutes. It's actually closer. And then there are beaches around. I've been to three of them. I don't like two of them. And the other ones, I know the other ones, but it's actually far. It's actually far, so I'll just stay indoors and watch movie. I don't know. I don't know what to do for now, but let's see how the day goes. Let's actually spend a day with me. So let's see how it goes.